Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lorohama Etrata from Candon City, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I was born on July 1, 1994, and I am 30 years old. My weight is 60 kg and my height is 157 cm. I am a high school graduate and I am married with no child, but I have three nieces. They are both girls, age 9 years old, 6 years old, and 9 months old. I will take care of them sometimes when their parents is at work. My husband work is a security guard. My religion is a born again. We are 6 siblings in the family. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers, and I'm the third of them. My mother is a housewife and my father is a minister. I have worked as a housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years, since November 2020 to November 2022. I have served 4 members in the family, 1 couple and 2 child. There are both girls, age 5 years old and 1 years old. My duties and responsibilities are take care of the kids, prepare their breakfast, take them a bath, and accompany the child in school. And after that, I go back to their house to clean and do the laundry, fix their toys, cook their lunch, and I pick up the child from school. To my future employer, I can assure you that you can trust me because I'm honest, reliable, hardworking, and dedicated to my work. I promise to obey every rules and regulation in your house. I am looking forward to be part of your family. If I'm giving a chance, I will do my well to the best I can. Thank you so much and God bless to your family, Madam and Sir. Have a good day.